Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Rizka Arianti, the 6th semester student of English Education Department 2018, Tarbiyah and Teaching Science Faculty, Alauddin Syed Islamic University of Makassar. I make this video as a final project of cross-cultural and understanding subject. And in this video, I'm going to explain about the similarities and the differences between Indonesia and the other countries. And now, I will explain about the similarities between Indonesia and the other countries. The first is Indonesia and India. Eating with the right hand is common in India and Indonesia. In India, eating the right hand even has its own value. And the second is Indonesia and Canada. Canadians are very famous as well as Indonesians. The third is Indonesia and Brunei. Indonesia and Brunei have the same day of celebration. There is Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. And the fourth is Indonesia and Finland. Indonesia and Finland have something in common. When they enter the house by taking off their sandals. And the fifth is Indonesia and Canada. Canada has a special food that looks like a pie in Indonesia. And the sixth is Indonesia and Vietnam. The similarity between Indonesia and Vietnam is that the people always take a nap. And the last is Indonesia and Kazakhstan. Indonesia and Kazakhstan have an enthusiasm for soccer. Okay, next I will explain about the difference between Indonesia and the other countries. The first is Indonesia and Switzerland. In Switzerland, government officials are not given luxury facilities. Unlike in Indonesia, the officials are facilitated starting from food, vehicles, to housing. And the second is Indonesia and Finland. Unlike from Indonesia, Finland is a country with people who are on time. The third is Indonesia and German. The difference between Germans and Indonesians is privacy. Germans really care about their privacy, while Indonesians mostly think that privacy is not important. And the fourth is Indonesia and Denmark. Bicycles are the main vehicle as well as a hobby for Danish people, while in Indonesia, a car or a motorbike is the main vehicle. And the fifth is Indonesia and French Republic. French Republic prohibits its citizens from buying anything on the street. Unlike in Indonesia, there are many sellers on the street, and there is no prohibition against anyone who wants to buy. And the sixth is Indonesia and Poland. In Poland, people are offended when they are given a gift, whereas Indonesians are very happy when they are given a gift. And the last is Indonesia and Spanish. In Spanish, inappropriate clothes, unlike in Indonesia, is something unnoticed. Well, I think that's all my explanation about the similarities and the differences between our country Indonesia and the other countries. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.